Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Tabby for the first time. First, download the Tabby app from the App Store or Google Play. Install the app and open it on your phone. After your account is ready, you need to add your payment card. To do this, go to the profile section in the app. Here you will see different options. Tap on payment methods. Inside this section, choose to add a new card. Enter your card number, expiry date, and other required details. Confirm the information to successfully add your card. Now let's talk about how payments work. When you shop at Tabby partner stores, either online or in store, you can choose to pay over 4 monthly payments. At checkout, select Tabby as your payment method. You will see the option to split the total amount into 4 equal payments. Confirm the plan and your first payment will be charged. The remaining 3 payments will be taken automatically each month. If you want to shop at a store that is not a Tabby partner, you can still use the 4 monthly payment option with a Tabby Plus subscription. With Tabby Plus, you can also split your purchases into 4 monthly payments even when the store is not a partner. This gives you more flexibility when shopping. Thanks for watching.